Okay. I love that. All right, one more. One more. Okay. All right. Let's go do some easy bar preachers and arms is gonna be done. That set of straight bar pushdown burned so much more than the initial one. Like, I'd almost, since this is a little bit lighter, this kind of reminds me of how I do pull downs in a sense. Like my first set of heavy ass pull downs, where I got the stack and I throw a bunch of plates on the side, like I get fatigued. Like I can tell by the end of the set when I have to rack it, like, oh dude, I'm feeling it in the lats. But it's a totally different sensation than coming back to the pull downs later and going lighter and really getting that burn